You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Swiss cheese. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous cheeses that too many people mispronounce. So it's going to be a name from German or Swiss German, because it's made on the German-speaking part of Switzerland. Sbrinz. Sbrinz is how it's said. So sometimes they go quite quickly over the ians, and it sounds like Sbrinz, Sbrinz, or Sbrinz. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.